Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to prepare a the attractive dashboard, which even I have not prepared so far. So we will prepare it together, and we will understand that if we do have a raw data, such a raw data which you guys can see on my screen, and how we can convert this complete raw data into the attractive dashboard and the meaningful, the information. If somebody will look at, and easily the person will understand what exactly it says to us, right? So those kind of things actually we are going to do. So first we need to first analyze this data, okay, and we need to make out the notes that what are the things that we can extract out, and how we can. So that is something the secondary thing, right? The primarily that we need to think, what are the things that we need to show. First, what we can show here, we do have an employee name, designation, department and experience, current salary and new salary. This would be the new salary, okay. And after that, the rating we can remove, and outcome also. So for example, I do have these 6 headers of our data, and now I would like to make and prepare some meaningful dashboard. So what I can do, first thing I would like to show, okay, average salary, average salary and maximum salary, okay. And everything will be depend, okay, not depend, but yes, average salary and max salary and your, okay, average, max and minimum salary. Okay, these are the 3 cards which we need to show, cards. And what else we can show, we can show the here the comparison, okay. We can create, what we can do, we can sorry, create one cluster column chart, and compare the average salary at designation level, okay. Fourth thing, and fifth, okay. And here we also need to show, okay, the experience wise salary as well, okay. If what is the minimum experience, we do have minimum is 1 and maximum is 8. So okay, show the average salary at, so the average salary at experience level, okay. And another thing what we can show, but we can show here. So here also we do have a new salary, okay. And now we have to highlight, okay, we have to highlight, for example, if someone has a 2 years of experience, so how much increase that that person on an average is getting, okay. That is something which is really very very meaningful inside, which we can show. For example, someone has current salary 30,000 and experience is 1 year, and somebody has a 2 year experience and salary is 35,000, okay, for example. And the new salary, okay, is 37,000, okay, and for him it is 38,000. So what is the increase percent, what is the increase percent? So 1 year person is getting 23% increase, and another one, sorry, it would be 38, another one is getting only 9%. So this is the, this is how that we also need to show to the people, okay. Such analysis that we need to prepare, and we need to show to the leaders that this is the actual picture basis the data, right? And accordingly, basis the trend and the information which we are showing, the leadership and further team will take the decision and will make the required changes. So how we can do that, okay? So let's do that first. This is your data, okay. This is your data, this is your data, okay. And after that, let's create here report, not report, dashboard, directly dashboard, okay. First, let's take one shape first. This shape I think is much better, and we will try to, okay, just make it like this. All right, okay. Right click, edit, okay. Compensation dashboard, that's it. Increase the size of it first, increase the size. It's much better. Now click on it, go in the shape format, come here and design as, I mean, however you want to show it. For example, I would like to show it as the maroon one, no. Blue one, no. No, not like that. I think this looks good, but blue one would be much better, I think. Okay, and shape effect, what you can do, shape effect would be this one. Okay, not this one. Hmm, I think it's much better. All right, and we can also take out some icon if you want. Icons, click on icons, and right here, compensation, simple, or money. You can money. I just click on money, and just click on it, not this one. Click on it and insert. That's it. Once we did, just design it how you want to design. Okay, this one is much better. All right, next what you can do, go and just to make it more attractive, what you can do, you can take one the shape and design it like this. Okay, design it like this and draw it here. Okay, it looks good, it looks good, and just fill it out with yellow. Okay, next what we can do, next what we can do just a bit. Okay, all right, next what we need to do, we have to create a card. So let's create the card. Instead of creating in the shape, I would like to create it here, minimum, and fill this color by this one and make it like this. Okay, and color will be this one, I think, much better. Just copy it and paste, copy and paste, three cards. Okay, that's it. All right, after that, here, average salary. Average salary, make it as white so that the people can see it very easily. Average salary, max salary, and min salary. Min salary and max salary. Great. What we can do, simple equal to minimum. This is the very simple way, minimum and current salary. That's it, minimum. And here also we would like to, give one filter of the department, for example. Okay, only of the department. So basis the department, here I would like to give a drop down. Select department, select department, simple. Okay, and here we can give the drop down. The drop down would be in here like this. So how many MIS, analytics, and HR, three drop down. Come here, right here, MIS, analytics, and HR. Click OK. MIS, analytics, and HR. Okay, so make it bold, make it little bigger, bold it. Okay, and after that I would like to change it. So here equal to min if instead of average, average if, range would be this, and criteria will be this, and average range will be this, simple. And I would like to make it here as not dollar, rupees. Okay, and increase the size of it, increase the size of it. Great. And after same, just copy the same and replace it with the minimum. That's it. Okay, minimum, min if, Instead of here we have to min range, just cut it, cut it and paste in the beginning. That's it. Great. Minimum salary and maximum will be your max f. That's it. So when you will select this drop down now, analytics, you look, this is getting changed. Okay, in the MIS the minimum salary is 52,000 and the sorry average salary is 52 and minimum is 25 and maximum is 87. In analytics this is the min, max and average, and this is the average, min and max for the HR department. This is something which is very very good. Next what we need to do, okay, these cards we have created, create a one cluster column chart and compare the average salary at a designation. No pivot we will be using here. Okay, so here also we will show, not we will show, we can also show the, what, we can also show the tabular data as well, but I don't want to show that. What we can do, we can simply just copy it and I can paste it here and remove the duplicacy. Okay, designation, and here what I can do, average salary. Okay, average salary, that's it. And just, you know give the color blue one and make the border, not border, that's enough. Okay, that's it. And average salary, so average if, this is the current salary, designation, that's it. Okay, currency, this is the average salary. Just select it and press Ctrl Q, come here and select the cluster column chart. That's it. Once you have done it, just you have to design it very carefully. Okay, just design it very carefully. Remove it, and average salary, designation wise average salary, that's it. And just assign it somewhere like this and go in the format. Okay, go in the format. I don't want to have any outline, just remove it, and I would like to fill it as dark blue one. All right, and after that, label I would like to enable, label, data label. Okay, I would like to see, keep everything very very simple, guys. Okay, and no outline, right? So click here and no outline, that's it. Look, now when you will look at here, so this is the very simple, the chart you guys can look, you can see, and make it little dark, font color should be little dark. Okay, so black dark, that's it. And after that, this is something which is really looking so perfect, and just cut it and make it and push it till little above. Okay, now it's okay. Now here also we can create a one chart, and what chart, the chart I would like to just select it, Control Q, and fill some condition formatting. Okay, that's it. Okay, and after that what we need to do, this is something which we have done, this is something which we have really done. And next what we can do, come in data, and it says show the average salary at experience level. Okay, so we do have an experience, just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and short it smallest to largest. This is the experience, and this experience will be based on this HR department. So average salary here also, because everything we can show in the average. Just copy and paste, just copy and paste. Mhm. Copy and paste. Okay, and what next we need to do, just average ifs. Okay, here we do have a two criteria, first experience and another one is department. Let's give the current salary first. Okay, current salary and not designation, experience, this is the experience, and department, so department will be your this one. Okay, drag it, this is your average salary, okay, of the department as per the experience. Okay, now just simply Control Q, Okay, go in the chart and select the line chart. Line chart is this one. Scatter chart is much better. Just remove it. Okay, remove it and resize it little like this. Okay, and adjust this chart somewhere like this. Okay, okay. Now average salary at experience level. Okay, decrease the font size. Okay, adjust it somewhere like this first. Okay, and increase this part. Okay, great, great. And data label is much is required. Okay, what we can do, we can right click and we can also go in the chart design as well. We do have some charts like this. uh, no, no. Okay, remove it first and decrease the font size. This is really very important. Make it bold and make it dark as well. Okay, you look, when you are looking at the label, it is right overlapping. So just adjust it somewhere like this. Okay, every label you have to adjust one by one so that everything is visible. Okay, like this. Okay, it is much visible. All right, next bold it. Okay, remove the outline. Go here and remove the no outline. It looks good? No, it's still not looking good. Remove the outline. The outline. Great. It looks good. But it is not making, I'm not feeling good with it. So let's change the chart type. It looks good now. Bold. That's it. Now when you will select it, when you will change it, MIS, you look, this is getting changed. Okay, now the final thing what we can show here, this is something which we have prepared very deliberately. Next, what we need to show, we need to show here, okay, the at the experience letter at the experience level, how much increase percent the on an average the people are getting, okay, in the respective department. So here we can do increase merit percent, merit percent. Okay, just divide this by this minus 1. This is the increase percent. Okay, now what we can do, we can design it. We can create the pivot. Okay, basis this, not basis this, at experience, right? So just copy the rating and paste it here, and copy the designation and paste it here, and remove the duplicacy. That's first. Okay, and we have to sort this data first by experience. That's it, smallest to largest. Okay, and also what we can do, we have to also map the department as well, not a department. 32, no. So what I want to show here, hmm, not at experience, HR. Okay, 8. So what I want to show, I want to show here the increase percent, average increase percent, okay, at a experience level, okay, in the respective department. Here I also want to add, the designation part as well. Okay, So on which designation on an average people are getting what merit increase percent at which experience level, right? That's what actually I want to show. So how I can show here, that's what I'm just thinking. We do have designation and the department as well, and experience as well. Okay, so I think experience is good. Just select it, and here we do have, here we have a HR drop down. Okay, so what we can do, just copy it and paste it. Okay, just copy it and paste it. Remove the duplicacy first. 24, 24. Okay, I think it's much better. Now what we can do, we can sort it. Let's sort it. We did. Okay, and here I would like to have an average merit percent. So average if, average ifs. Okay, average ifs of this G column, and department will be this. Okay, and this will be the department, and rating will be this. Great. So on an average, this is the increase percent we are getting at this. I mean, with the, if the people have a 1 year experience, okay, and the designation is MIS, then it is 20%. Now let's create some chart so that it will make some sense. So go in insert. Now let's try to create something like this. Not like this. We can do the vice versa as well. Okay, cut it and paste it here. Now select, insert, come here, not this one. Okay, control Q and create a cluster column chart. Just cut it, come here, and we'll see how we can show it. Just select it and draw it like this first. Okay, average increase, average merit percent. Okay, basis, experience, make it bold, decrease the size, and remove the grid line. Remove it. Great. Make it bold, decrease the size. Great. And enable the label, data label, and make it on the above, not inside. Inside and just select it, right click, go in the format data labels. Okay, and alignment, where we do have a alignment inside. No, I'm not getting that. So what we can do, we increase the width of the column. Great. And make it as white, then white, and change the color of the column. Great. Great. So when you will look at here, now let me show you the full dashboard. Now it looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. Great. Now when you will look at, so this is the average salary, minimum salary, and maximum salary. If the people will look at this dashboard, so how the people will feel, this is the average salary, minimum salary, and maximum salary, and only of the HR department. Okay, and average salary at experience level. If the person has experience, so on an average in the company the people are getting 44,000. Okay, and if the person has an experience of 2, then person is getting 56. This is the outlier there. If the person has a 3 years of experience, okay, and that person is getting only on an average 54,000, so that is something which is call out, the people will look at here. Okay, and now when you will come on the designation wise average salary, so if the person is, if the person is MIS executive, so it is 52k, and if that person is a data analyst, then it is 50k, 58k, and for the HR executive it is 56, for the business analyst it is 56k. Okay, now basis the increase, if the person has a 1 year of experience in the MIS, the person is getting 20% hike. In the analytics, that the same person who has the same experience is getting only 18%. The people has HR. Okay, if the people has a designation of HR, okay, at the same experience level, person is getting similar to the MIS executive increase. Okay, when you will go here on this, on the another category where the people has the 2 years of experience on the MIS designation, that person is getting 17%. So what is the reason that a person is getting 20%, okay, who has a less experience than this person? So these are the things the leadership actually views, and then they goes in the details. Okay, they look at the data at the employee level as well. Okay, so this is something which will tell you and highlight the outliers as well. Okay, and that the dashboard which I have prepared in front of is something is really very very good, very very good thing. Okay, the leaders can have and can make the decision basis it. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.